Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss how to use suitable identity to find the product of given expression. So in first part x plus 3 x plus 3. In this we use the identity a plus b. It is equal to a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this x plus 3 it is equal to x plus 3 square, and x plus 3 square is also equal to a plus b square. We use the identity this a plus b square. So a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. It is equal to a square, a is equal to x, it is x square plus 2ab. In this 2a equal to x and b equal to 3 plus b square is equal to 3 square. X square plus 2 multiply x multiply 3. 2 multiply by 3 it is 6x plus 3 square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 3, so 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So we get x square plus 6x plus 9 is the answer. 9. Question number 2. 2 by plus 5, 2 by plus 5. In this we use the identity a plus b. It is equal to a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. There is 2 by plus 5, 2 by plus 5. It is equal to 2 by plus 5 whole square. In this a is equal to 2 by and b is equal to 5. So we use the identity a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square, a is equal to 2 by square plus 2ab. A is equal to 2 by, b is equal to 5 into 5 plus b square is 5 square. 2 by square, 2 by multiply by 2 by plus 2 multiply by 2 by multiply by 5. 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 multiply by 5 20, and 20 multiply by we get 20 by plus 5 square. It is 2 times repeated multiplication of 5. So 5 multiply by 5 is equal to 25. 2 multiply by 2 4, y multiply by y, it is equal to y square. So 4y square plus 20y plus 25 is the answer. So now in question number 3, 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. In this we use the identity a minus b. So a minus b is equal to a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 2a minus 7 is equal to 2a minus 7 whole square. So in this a is equal to 2a and b is equal to 7. A square is equal to 2a square minus 2ab. A is 2a and b is 7 plus b square, b is 7. It is 7 square. 2a square means 2a multiply by 2a minus 2 multiply by 2a multiply by 7. 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 multiply by 7 28, 28 multiply by a 28a plus 7 square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 7. It is equal to 49. 2a multiplied by 2a means 2 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 4. A multiplied by a, we add its power. It is equal to a square. Their power is 1, so we add its power. It is equal to a square. 4a square minus 28a plus 49 is the answer. Now in question number 4, 3a minus 1 over 2, 3a minus 1 over 2. In this we use identity a minus b, a minus b. So a minus b is equal to a minus b whole square. And it is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3a minus 1 over 2, 3a minus 1 over 2. It is equal to 3a minus 1 over 2 whole square. 3a minus 1 over 2 whole square is equal to a minus b whole square. So in this a is equal to 3a and b is equal to 1 over 2. So a square, a is equal to 3a square minus 2ab. Minus 2, a is 3a and b is equal to 1 over 2 plus b square and b is equal to 1 over 2 square. 3a square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 3a multiplied by 3a minus 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Both are cancelled in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now 3a multiplied by 1, it is equal to 3a plus 1 over 2 whole square. So it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 1 over 2. It is 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2. 3a multiplied by 3a, 3 multiplied by 3, 9a multiplied by a, it is equal to a square minus 3a plus 1 over 4. Now in question number 5, 1.1 m minus 0.4, 1.1 m plus 0.4. In this we use the identity a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. In this a is equal to 1.1 m and b is equal to 0.4. A square minus b square. So we put the value of a is 1.1 m whole square minus b square, b is 0.4, it is 0.4 square. So 1.1 m square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 1.1 m. So when we multiply 1.1 by 1.1, we get answer 1.21 m square minus 0.4 square, it is repeated multiplication of 0.4. So 0.4 multiplied by 0.4, we get answer 0.16. So we get answer 1.21 m square minus 0.16. Now in question number 6, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. So first we write them b square plus a square, b square minus a square. In this we use the identity a plus b, a minus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. A is equal to b square and b is equal to a square. There is a square, the value of a is b square, it is b square of square minus b square, the value of b is equal to a square, it is a square of square. So b square of square, we multiply its power, it is equal to b raised to power 4 minus a square of square. Now we multiply its power, it is equal to a raised to power 4. So b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4 is answer. 9. Question number 7. 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. In this we use the identity a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. A is equal to 6x and b is equal to 7. A square minus b square. In this a square, a is equal to 6x square minus b square and b is equal to 7 square. 6x square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 6x. 6x multiplied by 6x minus 7 square, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of 7. 7 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 49. 6x multiplied by 6x, 6 multiplied by 6, 36. X multiplied by x is equal to x square. So when we multiply x, we add its power, minus 49. So 36x square minus 49 is answer. 9. Question number 8. Minus a plus c, minus a plus c. First we write them as c minus a and c minus a. In this we use the identity a minus b, a minus b. It is equal to a minus b whole square and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. C minus a, it is equal to c minus a whole square. In this a equal to c and b is equal to a. A square minus 2ab plus b square, we use this identity. So a square is equal to a equal to c, it is equal to c square minus 2ab, 2, a is c and b is a plus b square and v equal to a square, c square minus 2ac plus a square. So c square minus 2ac plus a square is answer. 9. Question number 9. X over 2 plus 3y over 4. X over 2 plus 3y over 4. In this we use the identity a plus b, a plus b. It is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this a is equal to x over 2 and b is equal to 3y over 4. A square x over 2 square plus 2a is x over 2 and b is equal to 3y over 4 plus b square, it is equal to 3y over 4 square. X over 2 square is equal to x square over 2 square is 4 plus 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator both are cancelled on the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So x multiplied by 3y, we get answer 3xy over 4 plus 3y over 4. 3y square, it is equal to 9y square over 4 square, it is equal to 16. So x square over 4 plus 3xy over 4 plus 9y square over 16 is answer. So now in question number 10, 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b. In this we use the identity a minus b, a minus b. It is equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b, it is equal to 7a minus 9b whole square. In this a is equal to 7a and b is equal to 9b. A square, a equal to 7a, it is 7a square minus 2a equal to 7a, b equal to 9b plus b square, it is 9b square. 7a square, it is equal to 49a square. 7 square is equal to 49 and a square is equal to a square minus 2 multiplied by 7a multiplied by 9b. 2 multiplied by 7, 14, 14 multiplied by 9, 126 ab plus 9b square, 9 square is 81 b square. So we get answer 49a square minus 126 ab plus 81 b square. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then you can comment on this video. Also like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.